Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to introduce Minjoja Homes, which manages Airbnb business. I'll define what is the meaning of Airbnb, showcase inside our apartment photos, share some our contacts in case you want to work with us in future, and also I'm going to mention what else we normally offer, so stay tuned. Airbnb business is nowadays trending countrywide, and coastal region is the leading one, whereby we have many Airbnb properties. And for those who doesn't know the meaning of Airbnb, it's a marketplace of people who rent their property to travelers, and in this case it's on a short-term basis. The rooms are paid per night or per day, be it the traveler is taking the room maybe in a month or longer than a month. Normally the payment is through per day or per night.
Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my
We are located in Mtwapa, which is in Kilifi County, 16 kilometers north of Mombasa, Malindi Road. And Mtwapa, to be honest, is a town where people never sleep. Yeah, our apartments, we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedrooms in the same building, of course, but on different floors. Some of our amenities in our apartment includes fully furnished, kitchen equipped. Of course, it's 24/7 secured. We have ample parking, fast internet connection, and we have also many more. Mtwapa Mall, Choma Zone, and B-Mount Resorts are our main landmarks. So if you are coming to our apartment, be it you are using a taxi or any other means, you can just use those landmarks. So next, it's our photo showing showcasing inside our apartment.
to you, but our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now.
So like I've mentioned, our apartments are in the same building but on different floors. We have one bedroom, we have two bedrooms, and then we have one 3 bedroom apartments. The 3 bedroom apartment, it's on first floor, and then 2 bedroom is on the second floor, and then 1 bedroom is on that floor, and the other two bedroom is on the that floor also. All of our apartments have 2 balconies and then 1 master room. So when I say 1 master room, that means there is 1 bedroom, and then inside that bedroom there is 1 bathroom. That makes it a master room. So our kitchens are fully equipped, so you'll find there is a cooking gas, there's a microwave, there's a warming jug, there are utensils. If you want to cook, you can cook there. And also we provide water also. Fully furnished, you'll have sofas, TV, smart TV. We provide also Netflix. We have the dining area whereby you can sit and eat Although our kitchen are open, so this is one of our 3-bedroom apartment. You can see the kitchen is open, so there's an option of buying a dining table or using the open side whereby you can eat there. We have working microwaves. Our fridge also are working in case you want to put food in the fridge, or you want to put anything in the fridge. And that is one of our sitting area. And behind that window there is one balcony. So one balcony is in the sitting area and the other balcony is in the master room side. Our beds are very comfortable. You can see the mattress are big enough. In case you need bed sheets, we can provide that. You can just highlight in the comment section and then I will respond back. That is our balcony view, one of our balcony view. This is our 3-bedroom apartment, balcony side. One room can occupy 2 beds. This bed is 4.5 by 6, and in this room we have 2 beds of the same size, 4.5 by 6, and in between we have a side table. So when we have guests in the apartment, normally we do our house cleaning after every 2 nights. So let's say someone has checked in today, so after sleeping, the person will sleep tonight and then again tomorrow, and on the 3rd day we'll come and do entire house cleaning. We provide towels, soaps, tissue. We are also planning to add some mosquito nets. That is on the plan. So next time when I'm shooting inside the apartment, by that time we'll have installed mosquito nets. You can see the view is amazing. That is our balcony view. Please guys, if you are new here, my name is Min JoJa, and my channel is all about traveling, motherhood, Airbnb business, and my daily lifestyle. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you may be notified whenever we have a new video. And please comment below. In case you want to say something, please comment in the comment section. Yeah. That is African decor and water dispenser. We provide water. So guys, apart from providing accommodation, we also provide tour guide packages. We do also transfer, airport transfer, car hire, and personal errands. For more information, if you want to book with us in future, you can always reach us on call or on this email. For sure, Min JoJa Homes is your number one trusted partner. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you are going to book with us in future. I have given the contacts detail, so you can just call on that number, you can WhatsApp on that number, or you can send us an email. We are going to respond back to you guys. So until my next video, be blessed and bye bye. Nawapenda sana.